Hi, I'm Mick Cox with the Hubbell Homes warranty team. Today we're going to talk about disposals. So if you're having an issue with your disposal, here's a couple of things you should check out first. The first thing is when you are running your disposal, you should have cold water running to help flush everything down the drain. If you're running your disposal and all of a sudden it stops, you need to hit the reset button. Most of them are located right at the bottom of your disposal. You should be able to feel the button that's just kind of in a depressed area. You want to make sure that that resets after you turn the switch off. Then the second thing you need to do is on these bigger disposals like this, there should be an Allen wrench underneath there. It's kind of a funky looking Allen wrench. It's called the disposal wrench. You're going to make sure all the power's off, and you put this right to the center, and you're going to spin this back and forth to dislodge what's ever in there. And typically, most of the things can be dislodged that way, and you can fire it back up, and it should be good to go. If that didn't dislodge what's ever in there, I suggest you use a pair of needle nose pliers. Now these are super long because I do this all the time, but you're going to want to stick this down in there and pull out what's ever in there. Make sure everything's off, the switches are off, so you can pull out that's stuck in there that's causing the problem. And then you should be able to fire it back up and everything should be good to go. There are some things that you shouldn't put in your disposal, but there are some good things also. The first thing is running the cold water. You should turn that on 10 seconds or so before you actually hit the button, and then 10 seconds afterwards, just to help everything flow out. Then also ice cubes. If your disposal has been sitting for a while, allowing the ice cubes to go down there maybe once a month or every other month, just to help clean out the bits that get in there, that's just going to help your disposal perform better. The other thing is an anti-grease soap. That helps destroy that and get that out of there. And one of the other things that's a good thing in two different aspects is citrus fruits. The acid in there helps clean them, and then the citrus makes them smell a whole lot better. So cutting some wedges and sticking them down there every once in a while, the oranges or lemons, is good for your disposal. Now here's some things that you should never put in there. The number one thing is grease. You don't want to have the bacon grease or any of that down your drain. You want to dispose of that in another way. Other things include coffee grounds, eggshells, onion skins, potato peels, hard foods, dry expandable foods, and fibrous vegetables. That messes up your disposal. Thank you for watching. I hope that helped you with any disposal questions you had, and for further information, you can always look at hubbellhomes.com for other maintenance tips.